The general feel is that industry is still doing very well despite Brexit. The area that we work in, the Black Country, has got a very strong manufacturing base and skilled workforce, and that seems to be benefiting from that at the moment. There is a lack of product out there, of good quality product, and that's creating opportunities for areas that otherwise might not have been developed to be developed, and then that releases other stock to the markets.
Incredibly strong, huge in the automotive sector with the Jaguar Land Rover effect. They've got over 15 million square foot in the region and employ 60,000 people. It's getting expensive in certain areas, and then just off the edge of those areas we've got this two-tier market where it's not quite super prime, so it'll be interesting to see how that pans out.
The market's very good at the moment. Certainly in the industrial market we are struggling with the availability of stock. We need to see some more speculative development, but that is coming on stream. But we're really struggling with land supply.
There's certainly growth. We're strongly pushing towards £7 a foot on new build sheds, which historically £6 sounded pretty good.
I think that there's definitely some risk coming over the horizon. But and whether the UK government can negotiate it satisfactorily for us, I'm not sure at this point. But Birmingham seems to have slightly found this slight insulation against it.
The whole perception of Birmingham in the wider country, the wider world, has changed massively, and there are a number of factors, not least of which is High Speed 2, but also the new street station developments and many more. But the real important factor is now we're seeing significant inward investment, which we didn't see before.
I think it's reasonably robust. We're subconscious there are some quite strong headwinds in the economy with Brexit and the like. Unfortunately, that's starting to show through a little bit in occupier demand. But our sector's much in demand. There's a lot of capital out there. Pricing's good. And things seem to be holding up at the moment. But we're keeping a sort of a wary eye out what's ahead, I think.